All right, got another little project for the Panamera. I noticed a slight smell of antifreeze, and while working on it, I noticed some white crust here. I cleaned it off, and it's came back. Seems like the bleed valve is leaking a little bit, so got a new one of those. First thing I did, pulled the bolt out of here, a little 10mm bolt, just to give a little bit of slack. And I'll throw the camera up and see if we can get this swapped out. To get it loose, press these little tabs in. They're greenish blue, and it should slide right out. Not sure how much antifreeze we may or may not lose. And this last one seems to be down on the lower side. Push in. All right. Don't want to twist much on these plastic. To remove these, push in on the fitting. Squeeze the little blue tab and pull. This one seems to be a little bit tougher. Finally. Two were simple, third one was kind of tough. Like that. It should just snap right back in. We also have a little bracket. Need to figure out how to attach that before we go further. Looks like it should slide right in. And it actually slid out really easy. Snaps right in place. and tighten the bolt. And 2-minute job, taking 10 minutes. It's about normal.